Hey guys, it's Mac. Well, this is my new paintball gun. I don't know if you know this, but I'm a paintballer, and this is my first video to do with paintballing. So, this is my new gun. It's just today I traded my old gun, a Spider Sonics, for this gun. It's a Piranha GTI. I just shot it like a couple minutes ago, and it is way better than my old gun. Like, performance like 1,000 times better. It's still not a very good gun because it's just semi-auto, but you know, for just a starter gun, it's pretty good. What I noticed about it, the trigger, really easy to press down when you're firing it. Did not chop a ball. I was going through like a pod's worth of paint, just firing as fast as I can. No, it did not chop. Compared with my other gun, the hopper would have been full of soup, and it would have been a mess. So this is I think it's a pretty decent gun. So I'll show you guys it, and I'll fire a bit of paint. What I got on it, I got a Spider Fasta hopper, and I got a 14-inch J&J Performance ceramic barrel, and yeah, that's the stuff that I had on my other gun, so I just transferred it over. I know it's CO2 tank. Okay, so I'm just gonna be shooting at that what is it, sheet. I just put it up there, catches the paint pretty well. It's okay. Here, let's see, so you can see everything. Alright, that looks okay. Alright. This is my pod. Not quite 140 rounds. It might chop because I just picked these balls up from the wet grass, so they're kind of not round anymore. And they are in the sand and everything, so it might chop. I'm not sure, but I'll see how it goes. Alright. Yeah, so that's it. It didn't chop, and so I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, okay, thanks.